Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to check Instagram DMs without opening them. Firstly, open the Instagram app on your mobile phone. Tap on the Instagram direct messages shown in the top right corner of the screen. After that, you will get to see all your messages. So now, what you need to do is turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on the airplane mode of your phone. I'm using an iPhone, so I've also turned on the control center. Then, you need to tap on the messages you want to see. Now, go back and tap on your profile shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down and log out of your account. After that, simply you have to turn off the airplane mode and turn on the Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.